Okay, time to install the new front door. So this would be update number 7, I think. You can see the door right behind me and the hole it's going into. Let's figure it out. The 8 holes are done. Now we need to put in a little bit of, I don't know, support so we don't tilt the door frame outwards when I'm trying to install it. So I'm going to put up 4 little pieces of wood around the door. And then we need to get some insulation stapled underneath the door frame, because we're not going to get that in there when it's actually in place. Let's hope it fits first of all, and luckily it's not that heavy. It's not much room for insulation because I made the frame a little bit tight, but oh well. We have these kind of door frame screws. You also use the same kind for window frames, and then you have the possibility to that one first, and then you're gonna screw the whole thing. And after you've done that, and you need to adjust, making sure everything is in level, you switch it around and you just turn the upper part of the screw, which is very clever. Okay, door installed. Now we need to extend the anti-slamming the door screws, whatever you call that. So right here, that's one screw in there, and another one right in there. And if you can see that, sorry about the light, but it is what it is. So I extended that screw head into the frame of the house, and that will prevent the door frame from getting all wibbly wobbly if you slam the door, or I mean regular use as well, of course. But that's just an extra protection. I think it's very clever. Okay, day 2. And there we go. I'm pretty sure my time-lapse got cut off due to the battery dying, but the door is installed and it looks really good in my opinion. Also, the window is done too. Looks pretty good, and the door isn't looking too bad either. That's about it. So now it's just the rest. That window is in. It works great. So now I just have 1, 2, 3, and 4 windows left. And when that's done, it's gonna be a little less drafty in here. Not completely airtight. So hopefully we will be able to put all the windows in before the snow hits us. So we need to hurry up. When the whole thing is kind of snow proof, we can go ahead and keep going throughout the winter. That's my plan at least. So we can put the floors in, get some insulation. If you want to see the rest of the guest house videos, go ahead and click over here, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing right there. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.